am Dr. Harleen Sethi from Dontia Dental Care, Kolkata. हमारे इस चैनल में मिलेंगे आपको some dental information videos and smile makeovers by our dentist from Dontia Dental Care. Welcome to our YouTube channel.
Today's topic, like I said, is gap closure.
Like too good is just one word, but if you have to say it's like 3 takeaways.
Okay, ma'am, I got to learn about composites and techniques in midline diastema.
What was your major takeaway? One takeaway if you have to say.
What I felt was there were certain things that I wasn't doing right, and there are techniques, there are ways which I have learned that I can do the cases better, where the polishing, finishing wise, how it will look more aesthetic and more pleasing for the patient.
So visit us at Dontia Dental Care for all your dental problems. So how was it? Now don't forget to like, share and subscribe.